Hey J-Spotters, we are at LC Motor Mechanics and they're about to install the Funo lock kit on Dave's S15. First we need to remove and replace the front subframe, steering rack, knuckles, lower control arms, tie rods, tie rod ends and top mounts. These will be replaced with high quality joints and these are utilized all around. The front subframe is replaced and relocates the steering rack. Essentially, you throw the whole front factory alignment away and bolt up the S-chassis hubs and brakes to the kit. It's a lock kit that gives you a lot more lock, stability, control and tons of alignment options that can be easily changed at the track if necessary with adjustment shims. New longer braided brake hoses are a must with any lock kit as there is a lot more lock on the wheels and factory brake lines are not long enough to accommodate this. Dave, you better be going sideways, backwards. Woo! Sideways. Now it's time for a wheel alignment, and lucky for us, LC Motor Mechanics have this facility in shop.
So we're here at LC Racing with Dave Bell. Dave, you've got a big smile on your face. What's going on?
Always, mate.
You enjoying your upgrades?
Loving it. Absolutely.
New lock kit.
New lock kit. Can't wait to get out.
There we go.
Can't wait to go sideways. Backside with Dave.
Sounds a little bit wrong.
It did a little bit.
Introduce yourself to our viewers.
I'm Dave, and I live in Cyprus.
Dave, tell us how you got involved in drifting, because you're quite new to the sport.
Like I say, is always fancy to do it. Love coming to the track, love watching everyone drift. And then after going out with Marios, I just had to have that drift car.
You were sold on the test drive, weren't
Sold
you?
on it. We'd done literally 2 corners and I'm like, I'm having it.
So, Dave, tell us what you've done to the car since you bought it, because it has changed a little bit.
Yeah, we've done a paint job on the car. We put a Funo lock kit on the front. We put LED bar, hydro handbrake, steering wheel. There's some gauges.
So nothing too crazy, because the car already had a bunch of stuff on it when you bought it. How did you find the difference from going from a basic alignment setup, which is what the car came with, chopped and shut knuckles, to something like the Funo kit?
It changed the car completely. Literally different car. When we put the setup, everything, it was the sideways. I mean, I can't even hit the limit. I can go that much sideways. It's crazy.
We saw it when we came to test the car at the track that day. You just kept on trying to spin out and it wasn't happening.
Yeah, impossible.
So what have you got planned for the future of the car at this point in time?
For the rear end, a Funo lock kit. I want to put a twin caliper setup for the hydro to make that better. And then hopefully a bigger turbo, get some more power down.
Get some more power, burn some more tires.
For sure.
Right, Dave, the important question. What's in the garage, in the ultimate dream garage?
In my garage, we got a 1980s Corvette Stingray, 5.7 V8. It's my baby. I've got a 1999 Evolution 6. Very clean. I like that car for street. Sometimes a bit of track, but not too much. We've got a 3-litre V6 Pajero, 1992, which is a daily, used for everything.
The towing car for the drift car.
Towing, it does everything. Trudos, even off-road, a bit of drifting now and then. What else we got? We got a Dodge Nitro,
It's always
2.8.
good when you're forgetting what cars you've got in the garage, isn't it?
But yeah, that's about it really.
What about the future dream garage? Because when we met up last week, you threw a couple of cars at me.
There's a few cars I'd like to have. One for a classic would be a 66 Mustang, for sure. One of my favorites. I'd like to have the Skyline, the GTR, the new one. There's many cars. The list will go on and on.
If money was no object, what would be the ultimate car? Even though the 66 Mustang is not exactly a cheap car.
I don't even know. I'm scoffing there.
We'll leave it at
yeah.
that, Dave. Dave, thank you for your time, mate. Enjoy your weekend, and we'll catch you again soon.
Thank you.
Take care.
On the next episode of the J-Spot, we will show you an in-depth look of the Funo Lock kit and what it offers the driver and the car, including the individual components. So make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell for all the latest videos. See you next week, J-Spotters!
Hey, look at that tire!